GL comes with only one engine option, that's the same old 3.0 V6 diesel engine. However, for this new GL, there's more power and more torque on offer. And this is enough to propel the almost 2.5 ton SUV to good speeds. Not 200 in less than 9 seconds, and given the road and the right driver, you will see 220 on the speedometer. All this without sacrificing on the fuel economy. We have been driving the GL in Delhi for the last 3 days and have been getting a combined average of 8.5 to 9 kmpl. That's not bad at all.